everybody, today I have a new recipe to tell all of you guys. This is we call banana. Wow, it's so good with green banana. So I'm going to take this banana to make sweet, and also we make sweet by this banana and also the sugar palm, everyone. This is we call sugar palm, everyone. I have it and I get it from countryside, everyone. It's so natural with sugar palm. I will take this sugar palm to make sweet with green banana. So let me start, everyone. So first we cut banana like this. Cut like this, and then we take the outside of banana. It's so big, everyone. Wow. This banana is so good and it is so big, everyone. Wow. So it is the time to take the outside of the green banana, everyone. We do like this to take the outside of it. Already. So we cut it step by step like this. Wow, everyone, this is our palm sugar, everyone. It's really good. So we take this palm sugar to cook and to match with green banana. So we cook it until it's very red, and then we add green banana. But now we wait for cook of sugar palm. Everyone, we add some a little bit, just a little. We add a little to salt like this to be more delicious. This is salt, everyone. We add just some of it to be more delicious. And then we continue to make like this. It looks like so yummy. It is so red, everyone. But we continue to make it until it's red than this. So now it is the time to put the banana, everyone. So we put it like this. Put it and then we mix. It's so red, everyone. But I don't know yet about it taste. It yummy or not? Can you guess, everyone? It smells really good, everyone. But we do not know yet about it taste. Everyone, now I think it's already cooked, everyone. So let me eat to show all of you and tell you guys about it taste too. So now we close the fire. And then it is the time to eat. I do like this on it to be a cold for my eating, for easy to eat because of it is very hot. It's really hot, everyone. Oh. Wow, it's so good, everyone. It's so yummy up it there. It's so good and it is so sweet, everyone. Yummy. Wow. You can learn to cook it by my video, everyone. It's easy of ingredient. It just have some green banana and also sugar, and we have a little bit the salt too. So it's just 3 of ingredient, but we can make a good sweet like this for it. It's so sweet and it's so yummy. It is just my tasting, everyone. So now I think it is the time to say goodbye. Everyone, don't forget to learn how to cook it by my video at your house and at your home. Sorry, learn it by my video because of it easy to cook. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel YouTube to have more sweet the recipe of cooking and then the landscape like this to show you more for the next video. So now it is the time to say goodbye. Let me say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.